So this has been helpful for me, where I create my own Google Doc every day for the work that I want students to complete. I pretty much open my own blank doc, type the work that I want the kids to be doing, and then I save it and give it a title. And then I go into my Google Classroom, and to assign it, I click on Classwork, and then I click on Create an Assignment. I give it a date and a title. I type instructions if I want to. My assignments have pretty much been the same every day, so I'm not going to do anything there. And then I click Add, and I add from my Google Drive. I find the assignment that I've created, and I click Add. And then down here where it says Students Can View File, I change it to where it says Make a Copy for each student. This way each student gets their own copy. They can type in it, and they don't see what everyone else typed, and they can turn it into me each day. I can select a due date. I could also select a time. I've been making my time 6 o'clock. Sometimes I get them late. That's okay as long as I'm getting it, but at least they know when it's due and it will show up for them that it's due. Then I could click Assign. What I've been doing a day in advance is scheduling it. I schedule this for tomorrow. I can pick a time. I've been putting all my work out at 8 o'clock so that they can go in early, and I click Schedule. And then when you go into my stream, the assignment doesn't show up yet. All that shows up is other things that I've posted that day. But in my classwork, you could see that I have the assignment scheduled for tomorrow. And then they can do the work, and they can turn it in, and then I can see it. So for example, if I go into the work from today, I can see how many kids turned it in, how many kids have not. I can go into the ones that have not and kind of see have they been working on it. So like this student's worked on it because she's added her own words, but she didn't finish and she didn't turn it in yet. So it just kind of helps keep me a little more organized.